Never have I ever. Copper top tactical.
Okay, guys, this is Never Have I Ever, and we got
Matt.
and he's never shot an Israeli-made Galil. Man, I'm tripping all over the place today. So, you ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready to go, man. Let's
Sweet.
do it.
You might have to rack it all the way back.
Rack
Like
it. How do I rack it?
that charging handle there?
Right here?
Yep, you got to put the safety down, though. Oh, you got to put...
Oh, safety down?
Yeah, all the way down, and then
Rack
rack
it.
it all the way back. Boom.
That is a beautiful gun. Thank you, man.